Welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draw anything on your image in window 10 and the 11. This is a very simple step. So just simply go to the open the image, and then here's the setting button. You just need to click on this edit button. Then we have a button for the draw. Here is the draw button. We can draw anything, and here you can see we have a different shapes and different thickness. I'm just going to click on this thickness, click on this, and here I'm going to draw this. Like this is the number one. I'm just going to draw anything. If you want to draw 2 3, you want to draw any alphabet, you can draw. You can draw any star and something like this, you can easily draw. And then save image as. If you want to save, I'm just simply going to save this as. Here you can see it is drawn on that image very perfectly. So by using this simple step, you can easily draw anything you want on your image. Thank you. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.